I thought they smelled good, and so I bought them and put them in my house. So what are we talking about? We're talking about air plug-ins. I used to have them all over my house. Actually, I used to be a really big couponer, so I would go into CVS and I had a whole bunch of coupons, and I basically could get all these really good smell good things, perfume smell good things, plug-ins for almost free. So I would have tons of these things in my house. I would have them in every bathroom, in the kitchen, in the bedroom. I remember having the little things that like you would put up high and they would mist every couple minutes. This stuff is so bad for you. I mean, if you have them in your house, you need to seriously consider getting them out of your house and going to scent-free things. Now, I have the book, the Medical Medium book right here, Cleanse to Heal. If you have not read it yet, I would highly suggest you get it. Just because these products have fragrance, we've been taught to identify as pleasing, whether inside your home or on your body. It doesn't mean that it's safe for you. After plugging them into the wall, many people forget air fresheners are there and don't notice when they run out because the walls, bedding, pillows, furniture, air vents, and window shades have become so saturated. So that means when you are plugging those air fresheners in, or you have any of that stuff that is making your house smell, you are saturating the walls, you are saturating your clothes. Everything is getting saturated with that smell. It is not just going away. These chemically scented, vaporized poisons hurt the lungs. Their waxy, oily residue builds up in the lung sac. If you're someone who doesn't smoke and yet you love plug-ins, air fresheners, you're better off removing the plug-ins, air fresheners, and to start smoking. So air fresheners are worse than smoking. Isn't that crazy? That's right. You'll actually have a better chance of longer lasting health and vitality without complicated diseases if you smoke cigarettes than if you breathe plug-in air freshener day in and day out. Plus, we swallow air fresheners when we breathe it in through our mouth, and that brings it into our intestinal tract, from which it enters the bloodstream and heads to the liver as well. If a surgeon opened up the body of a patient who had lived for years in a space highly saturated with air fresheners, the surgeon would smell the air freshener's scents seeping out of the patient's blood and cells. So this stuff gets in your body and it is really hard to remove. You're going to have to do some serious cleansing to get it out of your body. The good news is that's why I'm here, to help you cleanse this stuff out of your body. I have a basic class that's called the Morning Cleanse. It will teach you what you need to do step by step every morning to start cleansing your body. If you're not ready to spend money, that's fine. I also have a free video course. I will put all the links in the description below.